Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 13,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Race Red and it's in great condition and fair mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. As you can see, the seats are in good condition there. There's a couple of cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers, just by the handbrake. And then also the dashboard. The first owners chose the satellite navigation and DAB radio as an add-on from the factory, so that's nice to have. And then a few other features like I mentioned, the car also has Bluetooth for your phone, as well as air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version, good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a small hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. The rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats too. And opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Another factory option that was chosen for the first owner, they also chose a spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 15-inch twin spoke alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.